Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm literally new to Fujii Kaze. Never heard of him before, never heard his music before. I've never seen nothing at all resignating to Mr. Fujii Kaze. So this is actually gonna be an adventure for me because in Jamaica I'm not sure if his music literally get any airplay, or in Jamaica is there any fans or any person who listen to his music. If there's none, I wouldn't know because the country is huge. Okay, so this is actually gonna be something educational for me, right? Because we literally partake in reggae and dancehall, not music like Mr. Fujii Kaze's. Okay, my people, so bear with me if you're new. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. To each fans of Fujii Kaze, you are always welcome on this platform. So subscribe for more content for Mr. Fujii Kaze, because I'm guaranteeing you all, if I do enjoy this video, this song, this body of work, then chances are I'll be back again. And you guys won't miss that whenever time I should do another reaction relating to Mr. Fujii Kaze. So people, today I'll be checking out I Need You Back official video. Okay, my people, so with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what on.
Energy back. Alright, I've been missing you bad. Alright, I had enough with this apathy. How long have I gone astray? My passion has died away. Oh God, please can we just go back to those brighter days? I wasn't right, yeah, I've been scandalous. I wasn't wise, such an antagonist. It wasn't nice, I know, but I learned a lot, baby. Let me handle this again. I need you back, yeah. Never wanted nothing like I want you, tell me you've been mine. I need you back, yeah. Now it's not the time to die, I must be alive. Na 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 na. Now it's not the time to die, I'm alive. Where have you gone? I'm all alone. Yes, I've been here living on my own. How can I go on without you coming home? I wasn't right, yeah, I've been scandalous. I wasn't wise, such an antagonist. I know, but I learned a lot, baby. Let me handle this again, just once again. I need you back, baby, yeah. I never wanted nothing like I want you, tell me you'll be mine. I need you back, yeah. Now it's not the time to die, I must be alive. Na 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 na. Now it's not the time to die, I'm alive. Na 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 na. Now it's not the time to die, I'm alive. Yeah, need you back in my life. Need you back, I'm alive. I need you back.
Whoa, whoa! For my first time watching him, I'm inspired. I'm inspired. Like, to see the vibe, to see the energy that's spurred out of this man's music video. It's entertaining, my bro. If you are a person who loves music and you are just a mutual support of the music and the mood of the music that changes every momentum, you'll be caught in it. Because this music literally gives a mood, it gives a different energy, and it's giving a back in the days vibe. I've seen so much people making that commentary that is giving a back in the day vibe, and to experience what they're speaking of, it says a lot, bro. It says a lot because you can't just sit there like a stooge or like a stool and not making any movement. You would be dumb, bro. Like this guy's music is literally propellingly good. Alright, and I've seen where he's chasing the female who he needs back. And a man will travel to the ends of the earth just to see his woman, bro. And if that woman is in a mood where she's not willing to talk, then a man will literally chase her until she talks, bro. Like if he loves her and if she loves him. Okay, some woman rather to move forward and the man chases her. Some woman just do not prefer any talking, but she have to see his worth before she can able to, stop and to hear what he's saying. Right? And to see this video is literally an inspiration because a lot of these women nowadays, a lot of these people nowadays literally give up very easily. No one wants to chase anyone anymore because people feel as if they are too, high, too mighty, or hey, I have options, I can do whatever I want. But once you love that person who you literally call your person, your favorite person, the one you love, then eventually you would make sacrifice, you would make movement, you would take plane, you would go to a different country, you would travel the ends of the earth just to see that person around you, bro. And this song is literally the perfect example of what I'm just describing, bro. Very good Fujii Kaze. Very good. Very good music. And it's very fun and enjoying to watch. Anyone can sit and to enjoy this music. Based on the dress code as well, it's giving a 80s, late 80s, early 90s vibe. Dress code is neat. I never see any music video which I encountered so far with that type of dress code. So the dress code, the uniqueness that he brings forth, bro, it's very, very great. Big up yourself, man, Mr. Fujii Kaze, and big up the people who partake in that video because you guys did an excellent job. The video was a phenomenon. The video was a phenomenon. Okay, my people, so if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, letting him or her know about me, Jamaican Reactor. And if you guys would love to donate anything to the channel, the GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. You can donate if you can, and if you cannot, then I'm totally fine. Thanks for the support, bro. I love you all so much. You people are great, and I'll see you guys around, man. Subscribe, stay tuned, be blessed, stay safe. Remember to give God thanks, bro. It's very important, Peace.